If we told you that all you need is access to the internet, a little time, and you could be making thousands per month, you'd probably laugh. But this video will let you in on some of the secrets of how to make money with ChatGPT. And in this step-by-step guide, we'll even provide you with some prompt templates to get you started. The first way to earn with AI is to start freelancing. And by using free AI tools like ChatGPT, you can build a client base in no time. First, find the type of clients you want to work with. They could be business owners or content creators. Then make a list of target clients. Then go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a personalized cold email using the following prompt template. Just tell GPT to write a cold email to your client's name. Then use prompt how you can solve a problem for the client. Keep the email up to 100 words and add a call to action within the email. The tone must be formal. Customize this prompt according to your specifics. Then generate the cold email from the chatbot and send it to your potential clients along with your resume. If you play the numbers game and send enough emails out, if just one of them hires you, the process of earning money with AI has just begun. If finding clients in this way is not your cup of tea, you could set up a freelance account on Fiverr or Upwork. But bear in mind, these services aren't free. Hey, we've added a bonus method at the end of this video, so make sure to watch all the way through for that. And please subscribe so we can provide more videos on the best AI tools and how to make money with AI. The second way to make money with ChatGPT is to create a blog. For this, you'll have to choose a niche or specific area of interest like finance, sports, or maybe AI. Then go to ChatGPT and generate some blog post ideas. Narrow down the list by choosing the best options. Then ask ChatGPT to do the keyword research. Once that's done, use this prompt template to generate a blog. Just tell GPT to create a blog post of 1,000 words on your topic. Write in a conversational tone. Make sure to add transition words and use an active voice. Create an SEO title and meta description as well. And add these keywords in the blog. When ChatGPT responds, don't just copy and paste the text it generates. Proofread it, fact check, and if there's any minor changes required, do them yourself. And don't forget, make sure to add some of your own opinions to the finished text. That way, it'll sound more human. Then post it on your blog site, and once you start generating traffic, you can apply for the Google AdSense program or the Partner program if you're using Medium. And then you're making money. You can also make money with AI-written blogs through affiliate marketing, and we'll show you how to do that later in this video. The third way of using AI tools to make money is content creation. This is huge right now. Again, start by choosing a niche and ask ChatGPT to generate a script for a video. Make your minor changes to the script, and then make a short video using other generative AI tools, like Canva for creating images and Vidio for writing captions. Then post these videos on TikTok, YouTube, or Reels. All of these platforms offer a partner program through which you can earn thousands in passive income every month. As you can see right here, you can also make an automated faceless YouTube channel by using artificial intelligence and with the help of ChatGPT. With this option, you can earn money through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. We'll explain the whole process in another video. The next method is for people who love to hustle. But before that, please subscribe, guys. Okay, are you a budding entrepreneur? Then this fourth method is just for you. Start your own business using ChatGPT. Just use this prompt template to get some business ideas. Just tell GPT to act as my business coach and give me real-life advice on how to start and upscale a business. I have X amount of money. Recommend some profitable online business ideas. The chatbot will give you some business ideas. You just choose one of them. But if none of those ideas float your boat, just try drop shipping or sell products online. For this, just ask ChatGPT to give you different t-shirt, mugs, or sticker design ideas. Use these ideas to make designs through top AI tools like Stable Diffusion or Canva AI. Then upload designs to websites like Redbubble. We'll take care of the shipping and manufacturing process. Then focus on marketing the product, which you can do through various social media platforms. To do this, go to ChatGPT and generate some content ideas. Start making content, grow followers on social media, and convert them to your customers. They'll end up buying your products, and then you'll be making money with ChatGPT. Here's that bonus method for you guys. But before we share, please hit that subscribe button. Writing an ebook using artificial intelligence is a solid way of making money with ChatGPT, and it doesn't require a lot of effort. All you'll have to do is go to ChatGPT and use this prompt to generate the outline for an ebook. Just tell GPT, I'm writing an ebook on X. My target audience is X. I'm writing this ebook to help my target audience with X. Please brainstorm 3 different structures for this ebook. Using this method, ChatGPT can write your ebook for you. But always remember, without adding any personal experience or opinion, your reader will know it's written by AI. So to avoid that, give context to ChatGPT, then ask it to generate the complete ebook. If you're using GPT-4, the process will be pretty quick, but the free version can take time. Maybe go read a book whilst the free AI technology does its thing. Remember, ChatGPT is not a professional writer, so you'll still have to proofread any output. You can then make the front cover through Canva or other similar platforms. Final step is to make a landing page through Shopify and promote the ebook on social media so that you can start earning money.